nangungihamang ko marin. Why am I here? I am here because I love my country and I love the people of the Philippines. I am a native of the Philippines. There's so much corruption, there's so much crime, and so much drugs flooding the country. And seems that nobody is minding this talk. Matagal na we've been raising that problem. As if every time before a forum, we talk about this, about that. Eh, kung bigyan niyo ako ng pagkakataon, only God wills it also. I will stop it. I said, this is an imposed restriction for me. Hindi ako nagpapabilin sa ito. I will get rid of drugs, suppress crime, stop corruption in a matter of 3 to 6 months. Because I believe that without peace, without good corruption, we cannot really survive.